This week's episode of the GenXPats is brought to you by Genesis Gold Group.
Land ho!
After 6 days at sea, we finally made landfall in Mexico. It's an amazing feeling, and we are ready to celebrate. This isn't the area we were aiming for. Engine, autopilot, and sail issues pushed us to a small fishing village that none of us had ever heard of. We had no idea what to expect here as we began the search for much-needed fuel and water. We quickly found out that we had stumbled onto a magical place that we simply had to explore before moving on to our next destination.
Are you concerned about the state of the economy? You should be. All signs point to the eventual collapse of the US dollar, and now is the time to prepare. Inflation, bad monetary policy, loss of global confidence, and the potential creation of alternative currencies are just a few factors that stand to weaken, if not crush, what has been the world's reserve currency since 1944. So what can you do to protect your family's future? One of the best ways is to diversify by investing in precious metals such as gold and silver. Gold is frequently viewed as a hedge against inflation. When inflation rises and the value of paper currency declines, the price of gold tends to increase, preserving the purchasing power of your investments. Historically, gold has maintained its value over long periods of time. While its price can fluctuate during the short term, its long-term performance has often been favorable compared to other assets. During times of economic uncertainty or geopolitical instability, gold and silver are often seen as safe haven assets. Investors flock to these precious metals as a protective measure when other investments are underperforming or volatile. Our friends at Genesis Gold Group help both first-time buyers as well as experienced investors. Their team of precious metal professionals is with you every step of the way, assisting you in investing tax and penalty-free. So don't miss this opportunity to safeguard your hard-earned wealth. Grab your complimentary gold and silver guide at www.sailinggold.com right now and find out why I trust Genesis Gold Group with my own precious metal investments. That's www.sailinggold.com. Don't wait. The clock is ticking.
All right, we're going to get fuel, and our friends are taking us into town. See what we can find. First things first, fuel.
After days of being surrounded by nothing but open water, we were excited to soon be putting our feet on solid ground. And we had no idea what to expect from this little fishing village that we'd happened upon. Located on the northern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, Rio Lagartos is a hidden gem known for its natural beauty, rich biodiversity, and tranquil ambiance. It's part of the Rio Lagartos Biosphere Reserve, a protected area that spans over 150,000 acres. The reserve is famous for its diverse ecosystems, including mangroves, salt flats, lagoons, and coastal dunes. Rio Lagartos itself is a small, peaceful fishing village with a laid-back atmosphere. The town has a few small restaurants, shops, and accommodations, offering visitors a chance to experience authentic Mexican coastal life away from the crowds. For non-sailors, Rio Lagartos is about a 2-hour drive from the city of Mérida, the capital of the state of Yucatan. It can be reached by car or bus, making it a convenient day trip or overnight destination for those exploring the region. Once on land, our new friend Gustavo offered to bring Shane to a local mechanic to discuss coming out to the boat to service our engines, while I hung out with his wife Lore and their sweet daughter. We want to send a huge thanks to Amanda's friend Axel in Progresso for hooking us up with Gustavo.
Okay, we just got a lift into Rio, what's the name of this town? Okay, we just got a quick lift from Sundog. Yes, Felipe, a Lancia driver, pulled up to the boat, offered us a ride. And this is Rio Lagartos, the town, where we've ended up due to engine issues, and it's been wonderful so far. Ooh, look at this place. What is that? So we're going to get him some money at the bank to pay for the ride, go grab something to eat, maybe find some water if anything's open, and then head back. And then tomorrow, he's going to take us on a tour where we can see flamingos and crocodiles. So it should be a lot of fun. Really excited. All right, we landed at El Perico Marinero. And we've ordered our food by candlelight here. We've got some cervezas, some wine, some botella de agua, and the lights just went out, which is kind of funny and cool. But so far we're in love with this little town. We just walked around for a few minutes, but it's safe. There's people everywhere, kind of fishing, playing basketball. It's amazing that we ended up in this place. We didn't mean to come here, but here we are. And yeah, it's amazing. And tomorrow we'll be back for more. Pretty cool.
Every morning they would bring us they would bring us a tray of frozen margaritas. Like,
in the morning?
Like 9 o'clock in the morning, they'd bring us a tray full.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Margaritas? What they brought us, like they brought us banana daiquiris, lime daiquiris.
The Rio Lagartos Biosphere Reserve is a protected natural area renowned for its rich biodiversity, unique ecosystems, and cultural significance. It's a haven for wildlife and a key site for conservation in the region. We want to thank our guide Felipe for taking us on this fascinating adventure.
Yeah, those are those. They're the ducks. Kind of, they look like ducks to me.
And we're not ducks.
And they're not, yeah.
And we're not ducks.
And we're not ducks.
Tienen una respiración de 2 minutos bajo el agua.
Oh, they can stay under the water for 2 minutes. Oh, wow.
One of the most popular activities in Rio Lagartos is taking a boat tour that starts near town and takes you through the mangroves and lagoons of the reserve. These tours offer a chance to see flamingos, crocodiles, and a variety of bird species up close. With its incredible diversity of bird species, Rio Lagartos and the reserve is a prime destination for bird watchers.
Ooh. Black hawk. Yeah. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, wow.
He knows you.
Here he goes. Yeah. His yellow neck. Mm-hmm.
Pelican white.
White pelican?
Pelican.
Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Vienen del sur de Canadá. Son migratorios.
Oh, they migrate from Canada. Oh.
Oh, Canadian. Take off, eh?
Take off, eh?
Animales de
There's a Fargo.
Donald Trump.
After breeding, nesting, and raising their young on lakes in western Canada, American white pelicans migrate south to the Gulf Coast states and Mexico for the winter. Rio Lagartos means river of alligators in Spanish.
Oh, here he comes. Okay.
In reality, there are no alligators there, but crocodiles.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
The area is home to two main species of crocodiles, the American crocodile and the Morelet crocodile.
You nervous?
There are estimated to be between 100,000 and 150,000 crocodiles in Mexico. For an even more up-close and personal experience with these fascinating prehistoric creatures, there is a crocodile farm in Rio Lagartos that we will surely return to visit.
He's like, okay, I'm playing ball. Now give me that fish.
Aproximadamente 2 metros.
2 meters.
2
Okay.
yeah.
Wow. That's
He's waiting for his pescado. Yeah.
swimming. Yeah.
No.
No swim. No.
There we go.
He got his fish. Hasta la vista. Here he comes. Here he comes. It's a baby crocodile. Anyone want to swim? No?
Let's swim with him.
You swim with him?
Yeah.
He's ready. Listo. Oh, wow.
The mangrove forests in Rio Lagartos are teeming with life. They serve as a critical habitat for numerous species, including fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and birds. The complex root systems of the mangroves provide a safe haven for young marine species such as fish and shrimp. These nursery grounds are essential for the life cycles of many species that later migrate to deeper waters.
Crocodile?
What?
In Rio Lagartos, the most common breed of pelican you'll encounter is the brown pelican. The brown pelican is a coastal bird found throughout the Americas and is particularly abundant in the warm, shallow waters of the Gulf of Mexico, making Rio Lagartos an ideal habitat.
That's amazing. I've never been this close to one.
Oh, we had one hop on the trolley.
Really? That's close. Hola.
Y llevarlo a Louisiana.
Louisiana, yes. Uh-huh. Hey. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Es un chico.
It's a ooh.
The brown pelican is a large bird with a wingspan that can be up to 7.5 feet. It has a distinctive long bill with a large throat pouch used for catching fish. Adults typically have a grayish-brown body with a white or yellowish head and neck.
Yeah.
Man, look how fast they swim.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
He's like, yeah.
Dando fish.
Got a fishy.
He's like, yeah.
They're like, yeah, I want it.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Hay otro chico atrás.
Oh, look, on this side.
Oh my
La
God.
chica.
A chica.
Oh,
That's the girl? Chica?
chica. Yeah. Uh-huh.
While the males are larger and more vibrantly colored in order to attract a mate, the female brown pelicans showcase fully grayish-brown plumage.
Oh, he's got one! Oh, he stole one! Bandito.
Yes. Oh, no mas, he said.
Dos, tres.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. Wow.
That was funny. He grabbed the fish. Yeah.
La chica es muy inteligente. Oh. Ah, wow. Nice. Wow. Come on, get it. There you go. Nice.
Chica.
That's a female. Okay. Wow.
Las chicas son más grandes, los chicos más pequeños.
Oh, okay. The females are bigger. Okay.
Ahora ya se murió.
Oh.
Esto viene siendo su arma. Cuando uno lo pisa,
Okay.
como el escorpión.
Oh, like a scorpion. Yeah. Wow.
Las Coloradas is one of Mexico's most important salt-producing areas. The salt flats are part of a large-scale salt production operation that has been active for decades. The white salt mounds created during the evaporation process contrast beautifully with the pink waters, creating a surreal landscape. We were visiting Las Coloradas a little early in the season, so we didn't get to experience the most vibrant pinks, but it was very cool to see and learn about. We were a little early in the year to see the flamingos at their peak in the area as well. From May through September, thousands of these elegant birds flock to the salt flats to feed on the abundant algae and crustaceans that give the water its pink coloration.
So from what I understand with my limited Spanish, he said there's a few here now, but in September is when there's the
Hundreds
most.
of them, yeah.
They go to Florida, they come back here, they reproduce, and what they're doing in here is they're eating the little salt shrimp.
Okay.
And the more the shrimp, the more colorful their color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, let's see. Wow.
As we continued, we were able to see some of the pink flats, though the camera couldn't quite capture the vibrant color that we witnessed.
Only like 5 colors.
Oh, no.
Todo es un exfoliante, es una spa natural.
It's a natural exfoliant, yeah.
Contiene sal,
Contains salt,
azufre y
sulfur,
magnesio.
and magnesium. Okay.
Y a la vez
Protect you.
un bronceador.
Okay, put it all over. Protects you.
Exfolia la piel.
Exfoliate.
Yes.
Yeah. And it exfoliates. It's got
5
minerals.
años menos. 5 años menos. Crema Nivea.
Ah, here.
That's good.
There you go.
Perfect.
Protect you from the sun.
Va a quedar como nalgas de baby. Bebé.
Yeah.
Hey.
Skin of a baby. That's what he's saying.
I need to pay them that shit.
No.
Thank you so much, Felipe, for coming to our aid when we first arrived and anchored at what was to us a completely unknown place, and of course for the once-in-a-lifetime experience touring the Biosphere Reserve. The memories we made here will last a lifetime. With typical travel, everything is planned out. You know exactly where you're going and what you'll be doing. There's something really special about the sense of mystery and adventure that this lifestyle provides, and the magic of discovering a paradise that you didn't even know existed.
Like this is a beautiful little town. The anchorage is great. It's really well protected. And this is a place you could really spend, I think, a significant amount of time just hanging out. Like it's really tranquil.
Yeah.
I'd like to see the whole place.
We wound up here by accident, and it's ended up being
The most amazing.
Incredible.
One of the most amazing places I've ever been.
yes. Wow.
Definitely.
Wow.
Magical.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers to fixing the boat in exotic places.
Heck yes.
Join us next time when we leave Rio Lagartos behind and fight easterly winds and current with one functional 9.9 engine to make our way to the vastly different tourist destination of Isla Mujeres. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and as always, we can't wait to meet you out there.